So here I have a Boston CS Subwoofer 10, and it turns on, but it's not making any sounds. That's what I'm told. So let's see. And so here I'm putting in the signal data. Volume's not working. Nothing. So we'll have to open this up and fix it up. Now, inside, very interesting, inside the amp's not even connected, but how did it disconnect? That's the question. See the speaker there, and the connectors are way down in there, and these guys will clip on it, so it's a disconnected speaker. Okay, so must have been having a boom day, jiggled loose or something. Let's check it out. So this probably was taken off because there's a little clip, and those things should stay on. So my thinking is someone was in here, and the other connector goes in here onto this guy here. It's working now.